What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about an application that Google unveiled at their Pixel event that you can already use on your Galaxy smartphone. Now this is the live version of Gemini. If you watched the Pixel event where they unveiled the new Pixel 9 series, you probably saw this. It's their conversational AI. It's only available if you have Gemini Advanced, so if you got that through some Google gave a lot of opportunities to get that for free through Chromebooks, other things. You may have it. If you're not subscribed to that, though, it's not enabled yet on your Samsung phone, but I want to give you guys a preview because I do have Gemini Advanced, and I think it's a pretty cool little demo that Google did at that event. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 4-year-old son, Jonathan. We've got the green and red T-Rex over here. He always uses some animals and dinosaurs to hang out in the video. If you guys haven't checked out our written coverage yet, go to sammyguru.com. We've got the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, reviews. One of our writers, Tori, just posted his full 1-month review of the Galaxy Watch Ultra, so if you're interested in that, check it out. You can also get in our mystery box program. If you buy a Galaxy S25 Ultra, you get a free case cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies. I'll drop that below in the pinned comment description. So like I said, if you have a Samsung phone, you have the option now to utilize either the old Google Assistant, which probably a lot of you are still using if you haven't changed it, and if you don't change it, it'll just stay that way. But if you want to switch over, you can go into your Google Assistant settings and you can switch over to Gemini. And of course, then you'll have the Gemini application. Now, there are still some places where Google Assistant actually lives, but most of the things will switch over to Gemini once you do that. So when you open the Gemini app here, you can see here that you've got all of your Gemini settings. I have Gemini Advanced. I actually got this as part of a free 18-month trial period of the 2 terabyte AI Google One plan because I bought a Chromebook Plus and they were giving out a long subscription to the 2 terabyte plan. It's actually one of the reasons I bought it because I already subscribed to the 2 terabyte Google One plan. It's a pretty great deal. So down here you can type, you can take a photo, you can use the mic, you can do your general, Gemini stuff here and get answers through Gemini Advanced. Now, if you have the Gemini Advanced on your Galaxy phones, the new live feature which is rolling out is this icon down here. So if you tap this, it's going to now allow you to have a live conversation with Gemini. And so I'll go ahead and pause it here. Gemini's on hold, turn the mic back on, tap continue. So I'll turn the mic off. You can see chats are saved, you can resume them at any time, etc., etc. So once I hit continue, I could do a little demo here. I was asking it some questions about the Diamondbacks game. The Diamondbacks are playing a game right now, and I was trying to see the accuracy of the information, so I'll go ahead and listen and try this again. Can you tell me the score of the Arizona Diamondbacks game right now?
Currently, the Diamondbacks are leading the Marlins 3-2 in the top of the third.
Has Corbin Carroll had a hit yet?
Yes, Corbin Carroll has had a hit. He had a leadoff single in the first inning and later scored on a grounder. He also hit a home run in the 5th inning.
What inning are they in right now?
The Diamondbacks are currently in the top of the 7th inning.
So if you guys heard that, it's not very good at giving you live information like Google Assistant could do. Just to recap it, if you go back and rewind, they told me the game was in the 3rd inning, then told me that Corbin Carroll got a home run in the 5th inning, and then I asked it a follow-up question asking, wait, which inning are they in? And it said they're in the 7th inning. So if you actually go into, let's go to Google Chrome, for instance. Let me just open up a new window here. Let's just go to D-backs score, just to see the actual score into Google. It's 3-2. And if you tap on this, obviously it's the 3rd, so all that inning stuff was wrong. If we look at Corbin Carroll's stats, he did have a hit, so it looks like he did get that single, but obviously he didn't have a home run in the 5th inning. So it's not that great with live stuff like Assistant did, so it's important to keep this in mind. At some point I want to kind of make a video talking about what Assistant versus Gemini versus Bixby are the best at. I think that'd be a very interesting video. If you guys would be interested, let me know below, because I think they all have their strengths, but they're better at different things. And so if you have a Samsung phone, you might want to use all of these things. Let's try a few more of these. I'm looking to hire a freelance marketing intern to help with my business. What are some good suggestions that I could use to do this online?
To find a marketing intern online, there are a few things you can do. First, Check out freelance job boards like Upwork or Fiverr. You can create a job posting there, and freelancers will be able to apply directly. These sites are great for finding experienced freelancers, but you might also find recent grads looking for an internship. Second, try posting on social media. LinkedIn is a great place to start, especially if you're looking for someone with a specific skill set. You could also try Facebook groups or even your personal page. Whichever way you go, make sure you're clear about what you're looking for in an intern. How many hours a week do you need them to work? What kind of projects will they be working on? And most importantly, what is your budget?
I do need them to work part-time. Am I going to need to give them a W-2 job, or can I pay them as a contractor?
It depends on how you classify the intern. If they're considered an employee, you'll need to issue a W-2. If they're considered a contractor or independent, then a 1099 EC might be the right choice. There's a few things that go into that determination, so it might be good
So you can see it's given me a very good answer to this particular line of questioning. So it really depends on what you're looking for. I've found that with Assistant, Google Assistant obviously gives you a lot more live information stuff it's pulling from Google in real time. Where with AI, as you might expect, with general AI, Gemini Advanced, and even the live version is particularly good at like stuff that it already has in its database that it can kind of give you conversational answers to. The conversational aspect of this is very good, and so I do think Google has a ton of potential here. I'd like to see Samsung do something similar with Bixby, but they do need to add in some of that real-time search results that makes Google so powerful, because they have that, and not every other AI company has access to everything that's in Google's search database. Anyway, I think I'll end it there. A very fun little feature. You can see that there's some bugs there with live data that it's pulling in real time. Google needs to improve that for sure, but if you guys have it, I encourage you to play around with it. Gemini Advanced, very great opponent for Bixby, and eventually also Apple's intelligence. I'll do a showdown between all of them at some point. Stay subscribed to the channel. Also check out again our website. Go to sammyguru.com. Find all the latest tips, tricks, tutorials, Samsung news, all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.